Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed whenever an object falls towards the earth, a force is exerted on the object and that force is the gravitational force of the earth. And because of the gravitational force of the earth, the object gets accelerated, and that acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity because this acceleration is caused by the force of gravity of the earth, and the acceleration due to gravity is denoted by a small g. But before that, we have also studied about the Newton's law of gravitation. There we have got to know about a new type of constant that is called universal gravitational constant, and that constant is denoted by capital G. And in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the relation between the universal gravitational constant and the acceleration due to gravity. A student, suppose this is Earth and the mass of the Earth is capital M, and an object of mass small m is falling towards the earth, and the distance between the object and the center of the earth is r. We know that whenever this object falls under the gravitational force of the earth, the body gets accelerated, and that acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity, and this is denoted by g. Now, a student, we will write all these statements we have considered. An object of mass m falling towards the earth, and the mass of the earth is capital M. Now, the distance of the object from the center of the earth is r, so we will write the distance of the object from the center of the earth is capital R. Now student, from the Newton's law of gravitation, from Newton's law of gravitation, we know that the force acting on the object of mass m is equal to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the object. Now, we also know that when this object falls under the gravitational force of the earth, the acceleration is g produced in the object. So, from the Newton's second law of motion, we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration, and here acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, so we will write g. Now student, from equation 1 and from equation 2 we can write m g is equal to g m into m by r square. Student, if we solve it, we get g is equal to g m into capital M by r square into m. M cancel, so we will get g is equal to small g is equal to g m by r square. So this equation gives the relation between the universal gravitational constant and acceleration due to gravity. So we will write this equation gives the relation between g and g. This is universal gravitational constant and this g is acceleration due to gravity. Now student, by using this equation we can find the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. So imagine an object is nearby the surface of the earth or on the surface of the earth. मान लेते हैं कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ के बहुत ही करीब है या अर्थ सरफेस के ऊपर ही है, तो उस टाइम जो डिस्टेंस होगा ऑब्जेक्ट और सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ के बीच में वो अर्थ के रेडियस के बराबर होगा. So assuming this distance as the radius of the earth, we can substitute the value of all these. Student, we know the value of universal gravitational constant. We also know the value of the mass of the earth, and we also know the value of the radius of the earth. So by putting all these values, we can calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity. So now we will write calculate the value of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity. So we can put the value of g, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and by dividing it with the radius of the earth in meter, we will get what? 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter square. And if we solve it, we get the value of g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So this is the value of g. Student, in the next lecture we will deal the variation in the value of the g because of the height and also because of the depth in the earth. So student, आज के इस लेक्चर में इतना ही. जल्द मिलते हैं आपसे अगले लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए खूब पढ़िए और अपने परिवार के साथ साथ अपने देश का भी नाम रोशन कीजिए। जय हिंद।